So I guess, I mean, you can pretty much go any angle with that you could feed your wire with that Flexmig, right?
Supposedly, yeah. We're going to find out here. Okay, so this here.
It says it's a 10-inch extension. Says it'll fit most MIG welders. But I guess probably pretty much standard at that point, right?
Is this? I think it does. Depends if that
It looks like
slider is too long or not. That might work okay.
Huh. Oh, and then that sleeve comes down to cover it. Oh. That's cool.
Yeah, that's better.
And that's one thing you're gonna have to get, I guess. Or do you have the short tips at home?
No, I probably have to get some more of these tips.
Yeah.
Because all my tips are long.
Here's the box. If you want to put the stuff back in there.
Yeah. There. That clips.
Okay.
Then they come off over here. Okay, I need